everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are using some of my favorite product ever, the slice of cake. And this is a die set that can make a piece of cake, and you can make it look like pie like it is here, but you don't have to put this crust on. That's just an added decoration. It can be just that little piece. Love this set. Love it. Use it probably every other month to make 3 to 4 treat boxes. Just well worth the money to me. This is the nice display set. The other set that I use it's on a magnet and it's worn out. And then there's this new exciting cake topper. So it gives you designs that you can put on top of the cake slice in a Christmas theme. So obviously, as the name, Santa and the reindeer. So here's Santa's little face. This is Santa's beard. Here's his mustache. Here's some of the eyes you can use on the reindeer. Here's the snout. Here's the ears. So I did a practice one and it turned out really, really cute. The holly, love the holly. And then I have one planned out for us to do together that is not in a Christmas color. So let's get started. So I'd cut a triangle out of the slice of cake die set. And this triangle actually is in the Santa and reindeer cake set as well. And just doing a little kitsch flamingo around the edges to add just a little bit. And now I'm using Pucker Up. This is the top of the reindeer's head from the Santa and reindeer cake topper set. And going around the little snout of the deer, and those are the edges of the ears. So now I'm gluing, this is basically the head of the deer, onto the top part of the slice of cake. And then we're going to add all the little decorations on. So doing the antlers, and then we'll get the ears on and the top of the head there. And now we'll add the little snout and the ears. So like I said, those were the edges, those little bits we had ink blended were the edges of the ears. So the slice of cake set comes with this cute little whipped cream dollop. And I was just showing, I made one out of lavender or purple. And I wanted to show what it would look like on the nose. If you didn't want to do the snout, that's what that little whipped cream dollop would look like if you wanted to make that red for the nose on the reindeer. I think it would be super cute. Now here's the eyes, and it comes with 2 sets of eyes, and I wanted to do the very sweet feminine with the lashes for this set. And at the end of the video, I'll show you the more masculine one I made. So I'm doing a little bow, adding just a touch of shading. And now we can add some holly, which I decided the green just wasn't doing it, the traditional colors. Again, that's the possibility with the whipped cream nose. But what I do end up doing is cutting out some of the lavender for the holly. And now I'm building the base for the slice of cake. And it's so fun to set these all up as pieces, as a cake or slices of pie all together. So shading the berries that come with the set, and I'm shading the holly leaves that come with the set. And then we'll just put as little decorations, like a little collar that's on the deer. And then we'll just adhere the rest of the base of the cake, or the slice of cake bottom. So as you can see, this goes so fast. I mean, once you've got everything cut out, it's like 10 minutes to make the pie. There is no time involved at all. The hardest part is letting the glue dry a second. So it goes so fast. Okay, so now we're making Santa. So there's a red triangle, which is the base of Santa, but most of that is covered up. So now I'm making the eyes, and it comes with the white backing of the eyes, and then the part that you can color as the irises of the eyes. So just going around the edges so that the only white that shows is the highlights in the eyes. And so there's his skin, and now we'll add the eyes. And now would be a good time if you wanted to ink blend a little pink cheek. Now would be a good time to do it. But I'm just adding the eyebrows. I think I used like an R20 Copic to make pink cheeks. So here's the beard. You can obviously see where the head fits in. And then the mustache and the nose. I put the mustache on first, and I shouldn't have, so I have to peel it off because the nose comes. Now I can put the mustache on. Doesn't he just have a sweet expression? He's extremely cute. So now this is the fluffy part on Santa's hat, and then you can put the tassel anywhere you want or leave it off. So that's the top of the Santa. You build the bottom the exact same way. Oh, and it comes with a cute pair of glasses. You gotta put the glasses on him. So sweet. And then just drawing on his little pink cheeks. So here is one that we made together. So fun. I think she's so pretty. You can write little things on the side here. You can write on the back, on the bottom, or using the decorative piece in this set, this little stitched one, it will fit inside here. So it'll be decorative. You could write a little note on that and then glue it in here if you want. So there's ways that you can say things. But making a little Christmas pie, isn't this adorable, filled with little treats? So I did a pink reindeer, and then here's a more traditional reindeer. I think they're so cute together. And then I made Santa with this cake topper set. I made the elf, and then I brought in this snowman pocket tag, and I just used this part of it. And I made a snowman, and he worked great for this. So shop your stash. There are things that you can make that you can cut down that'll work great on that. Even, you know, for Halloween things too, that would work great. Although she has amazing ones for Halloween. So check, I think she restocked them, so check those out. But thank you so much for joining me today. I just feel like these little cake toppers are so darling. I have to make 2 more to finish the pie. This is also for my mother-in-law's treat giving extravaganza at Christmas. So very excited about that. So again, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.